Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel Balakrishna Kweza. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications. This is the video all about what's there in my backpack. It's really cool to see what's there in my backpack out from some time. I do carry a backpack a lot to my office and home. So without further ado, let's get started. The first one on my list is my bag itself. This is a ROG Republic of Gamers Ranger backpack with 36 liter to 42 liter capacity, extendable, and allows the user to arrange a ton of gadgets comfortably to carry anywhere they go. The bag is made with the ballistic nylon and has the capability to store laptops up to 17 inches. This comes with the integrated lock, rain cover, and the entire bag is water resistant and made out of 1260D ballistic nylon polyester. This great backpack ensures that all my gadgets are perfectly protected. This backpack comes with complete customized pouches for all your digital gadgets. Next comes my extremely portable iPad Pro 12.9 inches, which allows me to do my job easier and flexible. This is the third generation iPad Pro with Retina display and Touch ID button. The speakers are awesome and the camera is good for FaceTime video. I always protect my gear with UAG Urban Armor gear cases. You can see this is the UAG case for 12.9 inch iPad Pro with stand, which gives the bumper protection with carbon alloy surrounded on all sides. You can see that the case also offers a dedicated Apple Pencil holder that is a must buy with iPad Pro for every designer and visual learner. Apple Pencil 2 is an amazing gear that comes handy all times when you are using the iPad Pro. Next on my list comes my MacBook Pro 15 inch, the beast of its kind in terms of performance and style. This is also protected in UAG case, which is an i7 processor with 2.2 GHz 6-core performer with an amazing speeds at work. This comes with the Radeon Pro Extreme 4GB graphic card, which increases its performance 75 times in boosting the system performance. This beast is equipped with 16GB RAM with Touch ID and Touch Bar. The system comes with 500GB solid state drive with high-speed data transfer up to 3.2 GB per second with IPS 500 nits of extreme brightness and Retina display. This is truly an amazing companion of my life. UAG cases allow a lot of fresh air coming in to cool the MacBook Pro with bumper protection all sides. Please comment if you have any other best MacBook Pro case which can improve security. Next on my list comes the Bose MIE2 earphones, which delivers the exceptional quality of music with all levels of audio formats. I enjoy listening to music, hence these are the must earphones if you are looking for an extraordinary quality of sound. Next comes my truly wireless earphones, Apple AirPods 2nd generation, which comes with the H1 chip. These AirPods delivers 50% of talk time. The design meets the international standards and delivers the superb bass music. As said, this is the UAG rugged, water resistant and weather resistant case for Apple AirPods 2nd generation. This is drop tested, military standard 8105G and wireless charge compatible. This comes with the detachable carabiner and is completely dust proof. Next in my backpack comes the most interesting ebook reader. Book reading has always been a most priority in my life. Hence, this Amazon all-new Kindle 8th generation with 6-inch display with built-in light with a 167 ppi glare free display that reads like a real paper even in direct sunlight. This is an amazing must-have for every reader who reads extensively. This Kindle allows the users to download ebooks so fast and supports a total storage of 8 GB with superb battery backup for weeks time, reading 80 pages a day. This blue color case gives a supreme protection for this Kindle, which comes with magnetic closure from Amazon. As an operations director, I'll be working most of my time with presentations. Hence, a best digital presenter always comes handy for my job. This is the Logitech Advanced Wireless Presenter, which comes with dedicated software and completely customizable. This is an outstanding presenter and must-have gadget for every presenter. TEDx Talks have officially declared that this is the best presenter and is used worldwide. Dual connectivity plug and play software instantly connects to any computer with low energy Bluetooth and USB support. Please comment if there is any other best presenter in the market which can be readily adopted. Next comes Omen by HP Gaming Mousepad 3000 Black Edition, which is highly durable and gives a great support in managing day-to-day mouse activity. A perfect mouse is always required for doing day-to-day activities on powerful Macs. Hence, Logitech Wireless Gaming Mouse G602 is a perfect substitute with 250 hours of battery life. The body is ultra durable built. G602 is built to handle tough gaming conditions thanks to primary mechanical switches rated to a 20 million click lifespan. Most importantly, it comes with a dedicated software and user can switch between the endurance mode and performance mode with full customization. Mouse comes with tracking speeds up to 2500 dpi and supports 16-axis motion dynamics. External drives have always been an important way of securing data. Hence, the perfect protection with high-speed data transfer is possible through SanDisk 500GB SSD USB-C. This is rugged, water and dust resistant, IP55 rated, shock resistant solid-state drive with core performance and great durability and compact with pocket size. Next comes the beast in music players. Apple iPad Nano 7th generation features a 2.5-inch color TFT display and a 16GB of flash storage in an aluminum housing originally offered in 8 colors. Other features include H.264 video playback, support HD video, Bluetooth 4.0. The 16GB of flash memory is capable of holding roughly 4,000 songs or 14,000 photographs which are HD respectively. And Apple estimates that the battery life is up to 30 hours of music playback or 3.5 hours of video playback when fully charged. This also comes with Night Plus support for tracking workouts. This case made in USA, modeled Pelican 1010 is a bumper-proof, crush-proof, waterproof and dust-proof. I use this case for preserving my cards. This comes with clear polycarbonate material with military-grade test. I have arranged a Secured vintage card holder that comes with authentic leather, a top-notch world-quality digital wallets with RFID technology. This case comes with full metal carabiner and can be used in any climatic conditions. Next in my list comes the gaming device. This PS4 DualShock joystick comes with a vibration feedback and analog controls. With a low-power Bluetooth 3.0 support, this is an amazing device for gaming. This is the case for protecting this amazing gadget. Last but not least, a notepad is must for my regular professional workout. Hence, I always use the Papercraft or Matrix books for making notes and organizing all my professional work. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share the video with friends. This is your Balakrishna Quasar signing off and thank you.